Hello, welcome to Pecan Corner. I'm Tina, and today I'm showing off my newly repainted family dollhouse. If you look back at the other, there's another little video. I don't think we'll tie them together, but anyway, there's another little video where I showed what it looked like originally. My grandfather made this for my mother for Christmas in the 1940s, and we played with it, and then I've just put a new coat of paint on most of it to prepare it for our grandchildren. I've used the original furniture, and then I've added some new little pieces, and then we're turning this into a mouse house. These little mice, my grandmother had them. I think she bought them in the 70s. And that's an upstairs room. I left the original roof painting on it. I used an eraser and made the chimney into brick. It was originally painted white, and I left the original green, dark green floor and lighter green on the outside here. I coated the whole thing with shellac before I painted it, because a lot of that older stuff from the 20s through the 60s, things that are made out of plywood, tend to have an odor about them. I guess it's the old glues are degenerating, and so they'll smell like urine, even if they've not been around any animals or anything. But if you give it a full coat every inch of it and every seam with shellac, it'll stop that odor. So I coated the whole thing inside and out, upside down, with shellac, and then I gave it a coat of paint. There's one of the little bedrooms, and I've added some toys with our little mouse. You see there a little sewing machine, and dressmaker's dummy, and some little utensils. A friend of mine who collected sewing machines and knew I did miniatures sent me those, and I treasure them. Joanne, I know you're gone now, but she passed away last year, but I will always remember her with this little sewing machine. And see, there's some little bathroom. Let's get around here. There's the old original bathroom fixtures. A tub and a sink on on legs, toilet, and a hamper. And then the kitchen. See, we have a little chef mouse in the kitchen, and all that's original that Mama had. We have quite a conglomeration of creatures that live in this little house. We also have little troll dolls. These little trolls were my Becky and my favorite dolls to play with when we were growing up. There were some that were even smaller than this that we loved. I have ours somewhere. Mama found several of these and sent to me, so I've got to make some clothes for the other ones, so that they can go in here too, because they're just the right size to play with these little mice. And so I just wanted y'all to see the end result. I left this is the original top with an original decal on it. I left that on purpose to show off the original old paint and the decal. Nandy signed it on the bottom, so it's still got that on there too. The dollhouse was called the Bel Air, and it was quite stylish at the time. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the finished product. We're very blessed to have an heirloom like this, and I hope our grandchildren will enjoy it as much as we did and as Mama did. Alright, thanks a bunch. Bye-bye. Had to turn this back on for a minute. I wanted to show you among the original furniture. Looky there. There's an old record player and a telephone. we'll have to explain to the our oldest grandson knows what a record player is, but we might have to explain to the little bitty ones. And I don't know if any of them have ever seen this kind of a telephone. So I just realized there's some of this furniture that I'm going to have to do some explaining about. So, all right. Thanks again. Bye.